Tell me one good reason why I should try continuing to fight it.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. At sa mga hindi makapaghintay, nakita nyo naman yung title ng video na to. Sa mga gustong dumiretso na sa benchmarks, then I'll leave the timestamp in the description or sa comments. At kung hindi ka naman dumiretso ng benchmarks agad, may kwento ako sa inyo. So kakagaling ko lang kanina ng Paco, Manila sa JT Photo World, yung parang warranty shit ng Zotac. So lahat ng mga pinapa-RMA or Zotac warranty, doon dumediretso sa JT Photo World. So last week nung binili ko yung 1660 Super ko, sinabay ko na din tong 1050 Ti ko for a warranty. So registered yung Zotac 1050 Ti ko sa Zotac Extended Warranty, and thankfully na-replace nila ng bagong card. Shoutout sa Zotac. At ayun, kinuha ko tong replacement sa 1050 Ti ko. Very nice. So actually hindi ako sure kung ano gagawin ko dito ngayon. Naka-install siya sa PC ko ngayon. Of course, to test out that it's actually working, and as you can see, konti lang ng screen ko nakikita nyo, pero ayun, gumagana siya. So hindi ako sure kung ibebenta ko to or gagawin kong second PC daw. Suggestion ng isang aking subscriber. Shoutout na din kay Ryukendu. While originally, ang bala ko ay ibenta yung current PC ko. So, yung motherboard lang, CPU, memory, and baka kasama tong 1050 Ti, di ako sure. And while na hindi ko naman kailangan ng second PC, parang good idea. Ewan ko. Di ako sure pero for now, naisipan ko lang gumawa ng comparison, benchmark comparison video ng 1050 Ti sa 1660 Super. And while napaka-obvious naman kung sino mananalo, just for fun lang naman tong benchmarks na to. At ewan ko, siguro kung sakaling decide ko na ibenta nga tong 1050 Ti ko, parang send off to sa kanya. Di ako sure. Pero yun lang naman nata ko kwento ko. Wala nata akong nakalimutan. Kung may nakalimutan man ako, I'll leave it in the comments or sa description ng video na to. And of course, specs ng PC ko. i5-4460 on a Gigabyte H81 MDS2 motherboard, 16 gigs of DDR3 at 1600 MHz. I'm using the latest NVIDIA drivers, 441.41, running on Windows 10 Pro. And yeah, hope you guys enjoy, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace!
I need to get you back to the city. To do that, we'll need a ship. But first, I need to find you a weapon. Let's keep moving.
leads up the mountain. We'll have a good view of the valley beyond from the summit.
All right. Let's take it easy here. This wind is crazy.
We just need to keep moving.
Hey, even if we don't find anything up here, your dad would be proud.
I know, but I have a good feeling about this. Oh, shit!
You okay?
Lost my footing. I'm fine.
Laura!
Ah! Ah!